Looking to receive Bitcoin directly in your Cash app but not sure where to find your wallet address? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to locate your Cash app Bitcoin address so you can deposit BTC safely and confidently. First, open your Cash app on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap the Bitcoin icon at the bottom right. If you don't see it, you can also tap the Money tab and then select the Bitcoin tile. Once you're in the Bitcoin section, choose Deposit Bitcoin. This is where Cash App will display your unique Bitcoin wallet address. You'll see a long string of numbers and letters. That's your wallet address. Instead of writing it down manually, always tap Copy Address to avoid any mistakes. If you're sending Bitcoin from another wallet, you can also use the QR code provided to make the process faster and error-free. A couple of important tips before you start sending Bitcoin: only send Bitcoin BTC to this address. Sending any other cryptocurrency will result in a permanent loss of funds. Also, remember that Cash App may generate a new wallet address after each deposit, so check and copy the latest address before every new transfer, and that's it. In just a few taps, you've got your Cash App Bitcoin address ready to go. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and check the description for more tips and guides on using Cash App and crypto safely.